Well, still got some finishing touches to do, but it's basically done. The back two hatches ended up opening from the side instead of the front. This battery's toast. I gotta buy a new one. Bunch of wires running around. So that's the battery box. Put a cooler in there. Tackle. These hatches are going to have gas struts in them, which are basically like the little things that hold open like the glass on the back of a hatchback or something. So they'll open up and they'll automatically go to about right there and then stop. And then they'll have a nice soft close. And then I'll have little black strap loop handles. More storage. This is interchangeable with a shorter post and a seat with a back. That type of seat. Just more storage. More storage. And this will be... Gotta get those handles on these. This will be for anchor, marker buoys, stuff like that. So, I'm pretty happy with it. Came together pretty well. Lily was back here doing a little doodling. This is pre-wired for a bilge pump that's coming in the mail. Got the little outlet right there for it already. It's my switch panel. Usually these lights light up, but they're hooked up to that battery that's toast. Only drawing 7.2 watts. It's supposed to be 12. Or volt, I mean, not watt. Whatever.